My name is Michelle Meehan. I am the president of MM Consulting Solutions. We are a consulting firm that primarily helps clients in property management implement and optimize accounting software. So I met Trintech. There was a Finance and Accounting Technology Expo in New York City last year, and Trintech was one of the presenters there. And I was really excited about the software options that they had. I knew of a client in New York City who was really struggling with their close month process. Very large company with lots of users and lots of tasks. And I saw the task manager, and I really thought at that moment that it was going to be a really good solution for that client. So like a couple months went by and they contacted me to take like an interim CFO role with them for 6 months to kind of optimize their accounting processes. And so I took that as a good opportunity when I was hired in that role to introduce them to Trintech, and because I really felt like this task management solution, and they also signed up for Balancer, because that's also another important tool that will be critical to their accounting team. So I introduced them to Trintech. The sales team spent a lot of time with us, understanding what our needs were and how our processes were. We had some very unique ways that we wanted to look at things that weren't kind of out of the box. The sales team really worked with us to build that, and they actually took a sample task list that we presented to them and designed it and built it with all those features we wanted to see and the way that we wanted to slice and dice the data so that we could look at it in different ways on the dashboard. The client was very interested in it, but I mean, nobody buys a software solution without looking at their competition. And so we did have some calls with some of the other competitors, but I think we were so far along in the process at that point. Trintech had showed us a very customized demo that the clients could really look at and see as their own. Very hard to compete with that. And just from a time sensitive, like they really wanted something to happen. And the Trintech solution seemed like the solution that was going to work with them. And the sales team was amazing. So they are implementing 400 close month task lists. So we kicked off the implementation in July. We did 4 pilot properties that had different variables so that we could see 4 different ways of it doing and to test those pilot properties. We tweaked it and used the same 4 pilot properties the next month with tweaked processes because we found out what didn't work, what was frustrating, things we didn't know. Now we're in the process of we're kicking them off 50 at a time. So it's like we did 50 in September, 50 in October, we'll do 50 in November, 50 in December. So we're just rapid firing, kicking off task lists and bringing users on board. We've also, as we've gotten more users on board, it's a larger company, so they have a whole learning and development team, and the learning and development team really embraced it and started creating custom presentations for the new users and additional trainings as they come up. So, and the executives, which I think is important, in anything like this, the executive leadership at the top is fully supporting this initiative and is very engaged. I'm amazed at how engaged the executives are in that dashboard. That they're going in and they can navigate it. It was easy for them to navigate. A couple days into it, the top level executives were navigating this dashboard and they were identifying the root causes of what was slowing the processes down and putting solutions into place, like people solutions. Software doesn't solve everything. You have to solve the people issues too. But it brought those people issues to the top where they knew which people issues to address and how to address them, which they're doing with their learning and development team, where they can reach out and they can have that personal learning and development experience of, you seem to need help with this, let me help you. it's a collaborative effort. And so by creating the task list that we created, which involve multiple teams handing off processes from one to the other, we're redefining the processes as we go along, because we're finding that certain tasks that we might have been expecting certain users to do might not be tasks that really relate to them. And so we're actually seeing what didn't work and being able to modify that in the next month's task list to make things run more smoothly. Obviously, the dashboard and the ability to really see the processes and where they are and what's late, and that visibility, I think, is really key. It's contagious. Like in the organization right now, we're only using it for this accounting close month task list, but everybody wants in. It's not just that task list. And I keep trying to pause people. You mean let's just do these 400 first. Let's get these out of the way. But it's like everybody wants to jump in. Every department has their own task list. I mean, there's, how are you managing new hires in the HR department? How are you managing training in the learning and development department? How are you doing new property onboardings when you're bringing them on, where things are at and when they're late? There's so many uses for it. It's been exciting for everybody in the company to kind of see the solution and recognize what the potential benefits are to them. I think Trintech is an amazing company. So I've been very impressed with Trintech all around. I actually had a Trintech resource come and do an AI presentation for me at a local CFO Leadership Council. I have been very impressed with how responsive they are to their clients, wanting to make the client happy, but also really the idea portal, which sounds like a very simple thing, but a couple of the ideas on the idea portal that we've been promoting, we have a lot of users, I saw them on the roadmap. I feel like they're really listening to the ideas that their customers are putting out there. So I feel like it's a partnership with the customers. It's not so much that I'm just a customer. Those customers have a partnership with Trintech. As far as the second part of the question, with me being a partner of Trintech, I think the benefit of having a partner is having that experience. Somebody who has been through it before, somebody who not just understands the Trintech processes, but a lot of times the partners might be people who specialize in change management or process improvement, which is a lot of what I do. So it's sometimes when you can't always, it's not the best idea to fit your processes into the new solution. It's a better idea to analyze your processes and figure out what's the best way for my company to do this, and then does it fit into the solution?